Look what I got. Hopefully the camera focuses. Bayonetta 2 for the Wii U, which includes the Bayonetta game included. This is the, hopefully you can see it, this is the side. And, sorry, this is the back. Angels and demons stand in their way, or stand in her way. Well, I already kind of have this pre-opened. The wrapping is still around it. I just kind of cut the side off a little bit. So I'm unboxing this with one hand like I always do. Look at that. Pretty soon I'm going to be pro. Alright, so this is Bayonetta. What's in the box? Okay, this is interesting. You got the Bayonetta 1 disc right here. So you get the Bayonetta 1 disc. And then I guess you turn that over and there's Bayonetta 2. So you got Bayonetta 1 and Bayonetta 2. Then you have the viewing, the electronic manual. And if you want the code to your disc, it looks like they're doing the same thing with Hyrule Warriors, where it's behind this. So you have to take that out and stuff. So that's my unboxing video. I do plan on live streaming this game very shortly, like in about 45 minutes or something like that. I'm going to be live streaming Bayonetta 2, since I already played the first one, but I will be playing the first one as well. Be doing a walkthrough of that, but much later. And then, so if you guys want to follow my my Twitch channel, it is KeyBladeFan26, all one word, KeyBladeFan26. And then I will be live streaming at, it is 10:16 my time, so at 11 o'clock is when I plan on live streaming, which will be, if you're in the West Coast time, that will be 10, I'm sorry, oh my God, 9, oh God, yeah, it'll be 10, and East Coast would be 1 o'clock, yeah, so 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, and if you're anywhere in between, you know where you are. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's a pretty short video, but it's an unboxing video. What more do you want? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on a live stream. If you guys do miss a live stream, I do plan on posting up the live stream on my YouTube channel. So either if you miss out, then you miss out, but that's fine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.